Imagine a breakthrough so powerful, it could shake the foundations of the entire automotive industry. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a wake-up call to car manufacturers worldwide. Elon Musk has once again made waves, leaving everyone stunned. While many say the electric vehicle race is just beginning, Tesla may have already built the motor that could bring it to an end. This is a motor that runs almost silently, yet delivers such insane power that competitors might struggle to catch up. So how did this all happen? And what's coming next? Is Tesla really about to dominate the future of transportation? Or is there still a chance for rivals to push back? Because this story isn't just about a new piece of technology, it's about what comes next. And at the center of it all is Tesla's revolutionary new motor. One that could change everything. What makes it so unique? Why is it being called dangerous to the competition? And why are experts saying it's nearly impossible to match? All of that, and more, will be revealed in this video. But here's the biggest twist. This motor doesn't mark the end of Tesla's innovation. It's just the beginning of a new era. So make sure to stay with us until the end, because what you're about to discover might completely change the way you see the future. Tesla's next big leap. Tesla's journey often feels like something straight out of a science fiction movie. For years, Elon Musk and his team have brought forward ideas that many thought were impossible and made them real. Not too long ago, the idea of electric cars was laughed off. Tesla made them mainstream. Then came autopilot, giving cars something like a brain of their own. And now, Tesla has taken yet another giant step forward, one that has the entire industry on edge. This innovation is called the carbon-wrapped rotor. It may sound like technical jargon, but the concept is simple and extremely powerful. See, every electric car runs on a motor, and that motor is responsible for turning battery power into movement and speed. But traditional electric motors all face the same problems: overheating, performance limits at high speeds, and eventual breakdowns. Here's why. As a motor spins faster, its metal components begin to expand from heat and pressure. That expansion leads to wear and tear, and at high enough speeds, even failure. That's why most electric motors max out around 15,000 to 16,000 RPM, revolutions per minute. And that limit puts a cap on how powerful and responsive an EV can be. Now enters Tesla's new motor, powered by the game-changing carbon-wrapped rotor. Instead of wrapping the motor's core components in metal, Tesla used carbon fiber, a material that's incredibly lightweight, yet far stronger than steel. Carbon fiber resists heat, doesn't deform under pressure, and doesn't crack easily. Thanks to this, Tesla's motor can spin up to 20,000 RPM without overheating or breaking down. That's a massive leap forward. While other car makers are stuck at 16,000 RPM, Tesla has pushed far beyond, and the impact is huge. This isn't just about numbers. A faster spinning motor means greater torque, which translates to blistering acceleration. Tesla claims its new cars can now go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than even the most expensive supercars like Bugatti or Lamborghini, and at a fraction of the price. But speed isn't the only advantage. In conventional EVs, pushing for more power drains the battery quickly, reducing range. But Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor is so efficient, it delivers more power without sacrificing battery life. That means better acceleration and better range, something no other company has managed to combine at this level. So, what Tesla has built isn't just a better motor. It's a leap forward, one that could redefine the future of electric vehicles. And here's the thing, this is just the beginning. Because while most automakers are still trying to catch up to Tesla's past, Tesla is already inventing the future. Because the motor is lighter and more efficient, there's far less energy waste. This means the battery lasts longer, the driving range is extended, and you won't need to stop at charging stations as often. In short, you get the best of both worlds, high speed and reliable range. But that's not all. Durability is another key advantage. While traditional motors tend to wear out over time and eventually need repairs, Tesla's new design is built to last. It's so robust that it can run smoothly for years without issues. This translates into a longer vehicle lifespan and significantly lower maintenance costs. And since this motor also uses fewer rare metals, it's cheaper to manufacture compared to what other companies are producing. That gives Tesla not just a technological edge, but a cost advantage too. Now think about it. When customers can get top-tier speed, long range, and outstanding durability in one vehicle, why would they look elsewhere? That's why people are calling Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor a major wake-up call for the rest of the industry. While big names like Ford, GM, and Toyota are still working on refining their existing designs, Tesla has already taken a bold leap forward. It's clear that this isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a full-blown revolution. Tesla continues to make moves that shift the entire landscape. Remember when electric cars were seen as a joke? Now, they represent the future of transportation. And with this new motor, Tesla has shown it's not just improving speed, it's redefining what the entire automotive sector can be. We're now entering a whole new level of performance and efficiency. When we think about speed, names like Bugatti, Ferrari, and Lamborghini usually come to mind. These brands are known for their elite performance and blistering acceleration. But now, Tesla has done something no one saw coming. It created an electric car that not only keeps up with those supercars, it surpasses them. That's right. Tesla's new motor powers vehicles to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. It sounds unreal, but it's absolutely true. Even the Bugatti Chiron, often called the king of speed, clocks in around 2.3 seconds for 0 to 60. The Lamborghini Aventador is similar. Yet Tesla, without burning a drop of fuel, has gone faster. And here's the amazing part. While traditional supercars achieve those speeds through roaring engines, burning petrol, and pumping out exhaust, Tesla's vehicle does it silently, without any emissions and without a gas tank. But Tesla's win isn't just about going faster. The true innovation lies in efficiency. Normally, the faster a car goes, the more quickly it drains the battery. That's why high-performance EVs often suffer from limited range and frequent charging needs. Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor changes that entirely. Because the motor is lightweight and converts energy into motion so efficiently, there's barely any energy loss. As a result, the vehicle not only moves faster, it also uses its battery power more wisely. That means longer range, even at high speeds. Think about what that means for the driver. Before, people worried that driving too fast would drain the battery and leave them stranded mid-journey. Tesla has eliminated that fear. Now, whether you're cruising down the highway at high speeds or going on long-distance road trips, the battery will keep up without compromise. No more choosing between performance and range. With Tesla, you get both, and it gets even better. Tesla's new motor isn't just about power and speed. It's also more reliable. With fewer moving parts, lower heat generation, and no need for complex cooling systems, the vehicle becomes simpler and more durable. That means fewer breakdowns, less maintenance, and more peace of mind. And when a car is this reliable and long-lasting, customers start to build real trust in the brand. All of these advantages push Tesla into an entirely new category. On one hand, you get the speed and performance of a Bugatti or Lamborghini. On the other hand, you enjoy the battery savings, extended range, and reliability that make Tesla vehicles practical for everyday use. This isn't just a step forward. It's a complete redefinition of what cars can be. No other company has achieved what Tesla has, the perfect combination of speed and range. While most automakers tend to focus on one or the other, Tesla has managed to balance both, creating a truly next-level driving experience. This harmony of performance and efficiency may just be Tesla's greatest strength. It's no longer just about buying a car, it's about buying into an experience, one that offers high-speed thrills, long-lasting range, and cutting-edge technology all in one package. That's why many are saying this new motor isn't just a game-changer for Tesla. It's going to transform the entire auto industry and the way people think about driving. Tesla has proven that electric vehicles aren't just environmentally friendly or fuel efficient. they can also be the fastest and most powerful cars in the world. Now that Tesla has surpassed even supercar giants like Bugatti and Lamborghini in acceleration, it's clear that we're entering a whole new era of automotive excellence. And Tesla is leading the way, with no real competition in sight. But performance isn't the only place where Tesla has the upper hand. It also holds a massive advantage in production and cost. When it comes to electric vehicles, one of the biggest concerns has always been, how will they be manufactured affordably? Up until now, EVs have remained relatively expensive, mostly due to the complexity and cost of building them. EV motors and batteries require rare materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, along with precisely engineered parts that are costly and difficult to produce at scale. That's been a major hurdle for many companies trying to make affordable electric cars. Tesla, however, has tackled this problem head-on. Its new motor, the carbon-wrapped rotor, isn't just revolutionary in terms of performance. It also simplifies the production process and cuts costs. By significantly reducing the need for rare metals and using a more streamlined, efficient design, Tesla's new motor is both cheaper and easier to manufacture. Fewer parts, more affordable materials, simplified construction. That's where Tesla's true genius lies. Elon Musk has often said that technology is only meaningful if it can be mass-produced. If it's just a showpiece, it's not helping the world. And that's exactly where Tesla stands apart. This new motor isn't just high-tech, it's built for mass production. And that's the real game changer. Because Tesla's manufacturing facilities, especially its massive gigafactories, are already optimized to build at scale, it can bring thousands, even millions of cars to market faster than any competitor. While other automakers are still stuck dealing with supply chain bottlenecks and outdated factory setups, Tesla is moving at full speed. This gives Tesla two major advantages. First, the ability to reduce prices. With lower production costs, Tesla has the option to make its vehicles even more affordable for everyday consumers. Just imagine, a car that accelerates like a Bugatti, offers incredible range, and still costs the same, or less, than other EVs on the market. What would customers choose? The answer is obvious: Tesla. This will only increase Tesla's market dominance. Second, Tesla can increase profits. Even if it keeps its current pricing, the cost savings from production mean Tesla's profit margins will grow significantly. That extra revenue can be reinvested into new projects, more factories, cutting-edge research, and future technologies. It creates a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle where Tesla grows stronger with every vehicle it sells. Meanwhile, legacy automakers like Ford, GM, and Toyota are facing serious challenges. Their factories weren't originally built for EV production. Instead, they've been retooling old petrol and diesel assembly lines to try to keep up. That's expensive, inefficient, and slow, and it drives up their costs. Tesla, on the other hand, designed its entire production system with electric vehicles in mind. And now, with this new motor, the production process has become even more streamlined and cost-effective. The result? Tesla can build faster, cheaper, and better. And that will directly impact the customer experience. When Tesla releases vehicles that are faster, more durable, and more affordable, it's inevitable that sales for other automakers will take a hit. That's why industry insiders say Tesla's true competitive edge lies not just in its technology, but in its ability to manufacture that technology at scale and at low cost. While other companies may eventually catch up on features, only Tesla can bring this level of innovation to the masses. With the carbon-wrapped rotor, Tesla has not only shattered performance records, it's rewritten the rules of production and affordability. BYD's cars may be more accessible, but they don't offer the kind of groundbreaking innovation that Tesla delivers. Tesla's real advantage lies not just in being faster or smarter, but in having technology that no one else has yet matched. Meanwhile, Ford and GM are stuck trying to modernize aging vehicle platforms. Toyota continues to focus on hybrids and hydrogen vehicles, while VW is slowly moving toward electrification in Europe. But Tesla is already 2 steps ahead. That's why Tesla's new motor feels less like competition and more like domination. It sends a bold message to the entire industry. We're operating on a level you haven't even imagined. The EV race isn't just about who's in the lead anymore. It's about a widening gap that seems almost impossible to close. Legacy automakers like Ford, GM, Toyota, and VW are stuck in old ways of thinking. Lucid and Rivian are full of ambition, but trapped by production challenges. BYD may win in volume, but it still can't compete with Tesla on innovation. And that's Elon Musk's greatest win, a direct strike at every competitor in the game. Because while the world focuses on performance and price, Tesla is playing a much bigger game. One powered by batteries and AI, its two greatest weapons. Tesla's strength doesn't end with its groundbreaking motor. In fact, its true advantage lies in something even bigger: a powerful combination of battery technology and artificial intelligence. These two elements working together are what truly set Tesla apart from the rest of the industry. Let's start with the battery. When Tesla introduced the 4680 battery cell, it sent shockwaves through the entire automotive world. This battery is bigger, more durable, and more powerful than previous versions. It can store more energy, charges faster, and has a longer lifespan. One of the biggest challenges with early electric cars was how quickly the battery would drain and how long it would take to recharge. Tesla's 4680 cell has practically solved that issue. It gives drivers more range, reduces the need for frequent charging, and extends battery life significantly. Not just by months, but by years. Now let's talk about Tesla's second major strength: AI and full self-driving. Every Tesla on the road is more than just a vehicle. It's a data collecting machine. Each car is equipped with cameras, sensors, and software that continuously gather real-world driving data. This data is then sent back to Tesla's supercomputers, where its AI learns, adapts, and improves. In other words, the more Teslas that are out there driving, the smarter the system becomes. While many other automakers still rely heavily on preloaded maps and limited test data, Tesla's AI is learning from millions of real-world miles every single day. That's why Tesla's full self-driving, FSD system is far ahead of the competition. It's not just pre-programmed, it's constantly evolving. When you bring all of this together, the motor, the battery, and the AI, you see the bigger picture. Tesla isn't just building cars, it's building a full ecosystem. The motor provides speed and efficiency. The battery delivers long range and power. The AI enables smart, self-learning driving. Tesla is creating a machine that doesn't just drive. It learns, thinks, and improves over time. And is doing all of this at an unmatched scale. That brings us to Tesla's next major strength: its gigafactories and global manufacturing power. While many companies are still struggling with factory delays and supply chain issues, Tesla has already built production strongholds around the world. From the Gigafactory in Shanghai, to Berlin, to Texas, Tesla has a powerful presence on every major continent. What makes these factories different? They're incredibly fast, highly automated, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Giant casting machines and advanced robotics allow Tesla to produce vehicles at record speeds. This is why Tesla can bring new models to market much faster than other companies. And there's more. Tesla has ditched the traditional dealership model altogether. Most car makers sell through third-party dealers, which increases costs, delays delivery, and often leaves customers in the dark. Tesla has changed that. You can order a Tesla directly online and have it delivered straight to your doorstep. No middlemen, no extra charges. Plus, Tesla vehicles receive regular over-the-air software updates, just like a smartphone. Your car literally becomes smarter while it's parked in your driveway. Put it all together, and it's clear. Tesla isn't just making cars, it's creating a complete package for the future. On one side, you have the power, a high-performance motor and a long-lasting battery. On the other, you have intelligence, AI, autonomous driving, and constant updates. And backing it all is a global production system that's efficient, scalable, and customer-focused. This combination is what makes Tesla almost impossible to compete with. In the end, we can say this: batteries and AI are Tesla's backbone, and its gigafactories are its fortress. Together, they give Tesla an edge no other company can match. And by the time others start to catch up, Tesla will likely be onto its next breakthrough. That's why people say Tesla is not just a car company. It's a revolution shaping the future of transportation.